Good morning, you guys. It is day 6. As we can see, it's almost been a week. But I'm about to make breakfast, so I'll go ahead and take you guys on my breakfast journey or routine, whatever. So let's go. We're gonna be making oatmeal today, so I'm gonna go ahead, put some, this is what I usually put in my oatmeal: nutmeg, vanilla, and cinnamon. The water's currently boiling, and yeah. Okay, so I went ahead, put the vanilla, some cinnamon, and some nutmeg in there. I don't really measure, I kind of just eyeball. And these are the oats that I use. I don't use Quakers because I don't like how it tastes. So yeah, if you never heard of Fosca oats, now you know. It's usually on the international aisle in Publix, but these things be hitting, so I need y'all to get with it. Okay, I went ahead and measured out my half a cup of oatmeal, and we're gonna dump it in there. Give it a little stir. Let that cook. Turn it down. Okay, we'll be back in the next step. Okay, so it's pretty much done. I'm gonna go ahead and add a banana to it. I don't know why I just threw it in there like that, but I'm gonna add a banana to it and I'll crush it up. Okay, and that's how it's looking. And then I usually add a little bit of sweet condensed milk, and then yeah, so let's do that. So I'm just going to transfer that to the bowl, and we'll be right back. Okay guys, so this is the final product, I guess. I have the oatmeal. I put some more cinnamon on top, sprinkled some chai seeds on there, and then some of this honey coconut granola. And I'm just gonna have it with some water. So yeah, I have 6 bottles of water in there. Yesterday I finished all my water, so today we're gonna aim for the same thing. So yeah, bon appetit. All right, so I'm about to whip up a quick dinner. So I have some salmon that I thawed out, and it was already pre-seasoned. The same day I bought it, I kind of sliced it up, cleaned it, and seasoned my salmon. I just tossed some more seasoning on there, so I put complete seasoned black pepper, some Old Bay seasoning, some blackened Cajun seasoning, and some black pepper, garlic powder, and complete seasoning, I think. But yeah, I'm about to just sprinkle avocado oil in the pan. Not too much. This is where I'm the water so far. Like halfway. I don't want that stupid. Okay, so I'll be back when it's time to flip the salmon. Okay, so I think it's about time to flip the salmon over. Well, golden crisp on the bottom. So yeah, this is my typical meal. If I could eat this 7 days out the week, I probably would. It's a quick, like 10 minutes or less meal, to be honest. If I don't if I don't saute these salmon on the stove, I usually just pull out my Foreman grill and put it on there, and then just slap the salmon in some soft taco shells with some lettuce and some salsa. I'll eat that for for lunch or dinner. But yeah, that's what I usually do. Nothing too fancy on the days where I'm feeling lazy. This is a lazy meal. Okay, here I have my flour tortilla. I'm just basically putting it on the, heating it up on the stove to get it a little toasted or whatever. I'll do 2 of these, and yeah, that'll be it. And I use these tortillas. They last me a while. I tend to use these a lot if I don't want to have rice or bread. But I mean, honestly, I'm not like a big bread person. I'm mainly a rice person. So instead of having rice for dinner or lunch or something, I'll just use the flour tortilla, because it says it's about 90 calories each tortilla and supposedly 16 carbs. So yeah. Okay, so these are the tacos. I already finished making one of them. As you can see, there's the salmon left. It was too spicy for me, so yeah, we're gonna do mild. But yeah, you just put the salmon on the taco like that. Nothing too crazy. Oh my gosh. Nothing too crazy, nothing too fancy. It looks a little messy, but whatever. It's all going the same place. So yeah, this is what I'm having for dinner. And I'm gonna drink my water. And yeah.